Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the environment. Create a virtual env, install requests in GeoPy, and secure an API key from your chosen geolocation provider. Next, make sure the target device consents and can expose data via GPS, Wi-Fi scan, or ADB access. Use ADB Python or PySerial if you connect over USB. Otherwise, plan for the device to send coordinates to a simple HTTPS endpoint. Once done, verify key permissions and that the device is reachable before moving to code. You now collect and format the location payload. If you read GPS NME from serial, parse lat/lon and convert to decimal. If using Wi-Fi scans, gather BS-SID and signal strength. For cell towers, include MCC/MNC/LAC/cell ID. Once formatted, build the JSON the API expects and send it with requests, checking status codes and retry headers. Make sure to back off on rate limits and log responses. This ensures you translate device signals into reliable coordinates the provider can resolve. You finish by resolving coordinates and presenting them. Take the latitude and longitude, run GeoPy reverse lookup to get a readable address, and optionally render a small Folium map for quick visual confirmation. Return JSON to your client or write to a database. If results are off or you get errors, verify device permissions, confirm the API key and billing, inspect payload fields and timestamps, and examine network latency. One key troubleshooting tip: log raw device output and API requests to pinpoint mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.